guys, I wanted to pop in real quick today and show you this really cool wood farmhouse style tray that I received from Hallops Home. Super cute and really easy to assemble, and so I just wanted to show you today how to assemble it and some features of the tray and a couple of different ways to decorate it. So first, like I said, it's a solid wood tray. It's got that really cute rustic farmhouse style. The way these come, you could even use this as a single tray if you just needed a single serving tray. So this is really versatile, but and even this one as well. But it comes with 7 pieces. That's it. Super easy to assemble, like I said. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The really cool thing about this tray too is that it's adjustable, so you can get 2 different heights out of the trays using these cute little pieces that they've sent here. So I'm going to show you both sizes and then show you how I decorated it. So first you're going to assemble these 2 pieces that came together. They just screw together, really easy. And then you put it together upside down. So first we're going to add our first little piece here. And then the smaller tray, this piece here, and then the bottom tray. And then we have a washer that goes right there, and you screw on the nut. Super easy, and you're done. Now I'm gonna take this apart and show you real quick the other size that you can get with this if you assemble it. Instead of this shorter piece, we'll start with the longer piece here, and then again with the smaller tray, then with the shorter piece, and finally the bottom tray with the washer and the nut. And now you can see the other size. So how cool is that? Really cute that you can adjust it and it looks really cute both ways. So very versatile, like I said. So now I'm going to show you how I decorated the tray and give you a couple other ideas that you could do with this tray. So the way that I styled my tray today was with cupcakes. I have these little stands here, and I'm just going to add them here to my tray. Add a couple up here. And then I had these cute little cupcake wraps. I thought were super fun. And so I just going to add them here. Let's do and there you go. Super cute for cupcakes for a birthday party or a get-together. Another way that you could style this is with some coffee cups and maybe some muffins if you wanted to do like a little breakfast tray. Or what's really popular, of course, right now that you see everywhere are the little knickknacks. I've seen a lot of people decorating theirs for summer with lemons and cute little signs and different things like that. So these trays are so versatile and you can use them so many different ways. So I hope this gave you some ideas. Be sure to check out Hallops Home for the super cute tray. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM.